Hey everybody, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the windshield wiper blades on this 2016 Mazda CX-5. Whew, that was a mouthful. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do this. This is going to work for just about any car. It's just that I got a CX-5 here behind me and that's the one we're going to use. Let's get to work. Let's pause it right there. The Mazda CX-5, just like a lot of vehicles, has two different size wiper blades. The driver's side has a 24-inch blade, and the passenger side has an 18-inch blade. Oh, and this is Bluey. Say hey to Bluey. And these just swing on this axle. If you've never done this before, surely you've done this before, though. They swing up like that. You're simply going to pinch this section here and pull up this section here, and it's probably easier with two hands. There we go. And just push this forward. Switch hands here. There you go. Slide that back and then pull it out. So it's slide back and then pull out. We're just going to do the same thing over here. Pinch and pull. Slide it backwards and then slide it off. This is the new blade on the passenger side. We're just going to push this down, pop that up, move it out of the way. We will take the arm. Yes, it's difficult one-handed. Slide it in there. Slide it till it's all the way up there. You see that? All the way up. And then we're just going to push this back down. Click it. There you go. New wiper blade is in place. Like I said, just a short video to show you how to change the wiper blades on your car. And I mean, you can do this with just about any car that has that type of wiper blade attachment on it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.